this is Danny from Dynojet, and today we're going to show you how to install the PowerVision 4 on this 2019 Indian Thunderstroke 111. To install the PowerVision 4 on this particular bike, we're going to remove the side cover, locate the diagnostic port, and plug the PowerVision 4 device into the diagnostic port. Now that the PowerVision 4 is installed on the bike, we're going to turn the vehicle on and open up the PowerVision 4 app. Once the PowerVision 4 app is open, we're going to go to Tunes, select a tune that matches our modifications, and flash tune. Now that the vehicle is done flashing, we're going to key the vehicle off, wait 10 seconds, and then key it back on. With the PowerVision 4 device connected to your vehicle, we are able to read and clear diagnostic trouble codes as well as view live gauges on your phone in real time. Now that we are done flashing the vehicle, we are going to remove the PowerVision device from the vehicle, reinstall the side panel, and you're ready to ride.